Get back to the 73. Alright. Got an emblem for the trunk, but I don't have the inserts. There's little push tab inserts that go in there. They're metal usually. They might have plastic ones too. But those push in first, and then the emblem can go in there. Put a new plastic clip on this trim. If you remember, it was flaring out. Somebody had a hard time understanding that clip. It was a little funny. We had it upside down and backwards, and the stud grinded off where it didn't have the right space to hook on anymore. So it's good now. It's boogered up back here pretty bad. There wasn't a lot I could do with that. That's all for the trim. You get the sun visors in. And a rear view mirror, rear camera. Let's see, I gotta wire it up still. Got some stuff under the hood too. There's the emblem. I was thinking at first it went on and got the hollow nuts or the push clips from the back, but the back's closed off with metal, so it definitely gets the inserts I just tried to describe. There's the mirror. Got it mounted with the wires ran down into the dash at least. I painted this part and it looks horrible. I'm about to sand it back down. All the old scratch marks and stuff showed through. Very bad. But come back and show that a little better. I didn't sand it a whole lot because we were trying to save the sticker. I just lightly went over it. And obviously too rough with sandpaper. It's really weird though, because I did a lot of primer and sanded in between the primer. Did a coat of black, sanded it, and did another coat. They were just some really deep scratches. But all those coats on there, they should sand out now. Got a couple more parts here from another guy that covered these. So kick panels, the lower rear panels, and the side seat fillers. My door's wide open. It's a nice cool day. I made a pigtail to wire these up where they'll plug in too. Before I crawl in there. So I took that radiator support off. I'm going to repaint that again. Ran the wire behind there a little bit. Still don't like the way that looks. So I'll see about mounting it against the firewall. Putting some loom on it. Got a fuse up here. Took the battery out. Kept going dead. I think it's still under warranty. I'll charge it up and see what it does. But yeah. Alright. End it right here. Alright, we're caught up on this one. Sun visors headliner, like the other Caprice. Got the wire ran. Goes down the pillar post. Out there. So it's got a GPS box. And the rear view camera. That'll run to the trunk, which it's not quite long enough. Probably just be able to cut the wire or see if they make an extension where I can just plug it in. It's kind of a normal camera plug wire. Almost all the rear view cameras have those type plugs, it seems like. And I gotta mock up the back. That's my next step on this one mainly. can see, I set this panel in. I'm going to cut the board for it next, which comes down to about here and up. And then the seat filler will go there and the lower half. Still have to get all the holes lined up and drilled through for these mounts. That's something, if I was building these panels, I would have done way before I wrapped them. That way I could line things up, drill holes, and not worry about finished materials. But I have an idea already on how to line all that up. No holes here for the screws, for the mounts. So I'm going to pop this out, set everything in there, go in from the inside, mark it. Might even be possible to secure it from the inside. I don't know about that one. That'd be difficult, aggravating. Yeah, you can't get behind here to put a screw in. So anyways, yeah, make the back deck also, which is not as easy as I thought it was going to be, because it's got step downs everywhere. It's not just a flat board. It's got that step down there, and then it looks like it steps down twice on the end with the hollow area right here. Then I gotta make sure all this lines up and make this board next. There's a filler panel here. So this will actually be my very next step. Get this one in and get this board made. And get the back made, and then fit everything together. And we can put those finished back seats in. It's been waiting on us the whole time. Yeah. Alright, back panels and finish up wiring in the dash. So I can be done up there. Alright, I'll be back soon. I might wait till the end of the week. Have a safe weekend. God bless and peace.